welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add products on Ecwid. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your ecwid.com and it will take you right here. You just need to sign in and it will take you to your dashboard. We want to add products on Ecwid. Ecwid allows us to sell products and make money. It's an e-commerce platform, free platform, and a very easy to use. So once you get to ecwid.com, to add the products, you can go to the catalog section right here. You can see we have catalog. Click right here and then click on the products. Once you click on products, it will show you all of the products that you already have on your store. You can see I have these products. To create a new product, click right here. Keep in mind, we can also import products from other platforms if we want. So here we have new product. First thing is going to be uploading the images, and we can add more than one images. So I'm just going to click on upload right here. This is my product right here. You have to enter the name. Then you can enter the product SKU and weight. This is going to be the price in my currency here. So I'm going to just enter it. Enter the product description here. We can add images and videos into our description as well. Moving on, we have edit ribbon and product subtitle. Here we have set compare prices, bulk discount options, product availability, it's going to be enabled, stock control, if it is in stock or not, and then we have preview product. This is for the general. Click on attributes and you will be able to add the UPC and brand. In options, you will be able to add the variants. So if you want to add some variants of your product, click on the option name such as size. So I'm going for a size variant. And then you can select from here as well. Add the value. So we have small, medium, and large. It's done. Click on save and it will be saved right here. Then we have files where I can upload. If it's a digital product, then we can upload files here. Then we have shipping and pickup for this product. SEO for the search engine optimization. Right here you can see. This is what it will look like on Google. Then we have related products that I can add here. Buy now button, which is going to be enabled for my product that I have. So once you're done, click on save and your product will be created on Ecwid. Now let's get back. It will be added with the rest of your products right here. This is how you create a product on Ecwid. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.